Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello, I'm looking for healthy foods to add to my diet.
Oh, that's great. Are you looking for anything specific?
I want to eat healthier and feel better. I'm just starting to focus on my health.
Good decision. You could start with fresh fruits and vegetables.
That sounds interesting. Why?
They're full of vitamins and fiber.
That sounds good. What fruits do you recommend?
Bananas are easy to eat and good for energy.
I love bananas. What about vegetables?
Carrots and spinach are packed with nutrients.
Great. What about something for breakfast?
You can try oats. It's healthy and will keep you full longer.
I've heard about oats. I'll try it. What else should I add to my diet?
You could try yogurt. It's good for digestion and provides protein.
I like yogurt. What about snacks?
Almonds and walnuts are perfect snacks. They're healthy and keep you full.
Nice. I'll grab some almonds. What about drinks?
Water is always the best. You can also try green tea for its health benefits.
I'll try green tea. What else should I avoid?
Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods.
Thanks for the advice. I'll start with these.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll feel great.
Thanks again.
Have a healthy day and take care.
You too. Goodbye. Hey, I've been thinking about starting a diet plan. Oh, really? What kind of diet are you thinking of? I want to eat healthier and lose some weight. Maybe cut down on junk food. That sounds like a good idea. How are you planning to start? I think I'll focus on eating more fruits and vegetables. That's great. What fruits do you like? I love apples, bananas, and berries. Nice! Those are really healthy. What about vegetables? I like spinach, carrots, and cucumbers. Perfect. Those are low in calories and full of vitamins. I know. I also want to reduce my sugar intake. Good choice. Have you thought about cutting down on bread? Yes, I'm thinking of replacing bread with whole grains. That's smart. Whole grains are much healthier. I also want to drink more water and less soda. Water is always the best choice. Soda has too much sugar. Exactly. And I'm planning to have smaller meals more often. That's a good plan. It'll help you control your hunger. I hope so. Do you have any tips for staying on track? Try meal prepping. It makes it easier to stick to your plan. That's a great idea. I'll try it. You can do it. Just take it one step at a time. Thanks for the encouragement. Anytime. You got this.
All right, let's start cooking. Today we're making a healthy vegetable stir-fry.
That sounds good, Dad. What vegetables are we using?
We have carrots, broccoli, bell peppers, and zucchini. All are great for your health.
I love those. What should I do first?
First, we wash all the vegetables. Make sure to clean them well.
Got it. How do we cut them?
Cut the carrots into thin slices and chop the broccoli into small pieces.
Like this?
Exactly. Now, let's cut the bell peppers and zucchini into strips.
Okay, I'm ready. What's next?
Now, we heat some olive oil in the pan. Olive oil is healthier than regular oil.
That's good to know. How long do we cook the vegetables?
Stir-fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes so they're soft but still a little crunchy.
Should we add any spices?
Yes, just a little salt, pepper, and garlic. Not too much. We want to keep it healthy.
I see. I'll add the garlic.
Great. Now let's add a little soy sauce for flavor, but make sure it's low sodium.
Got it. Should we serve it with rice?
Yes, brown rice is a good choice.
I love brown rice. How do we know when it's ready?
When the vegetables are tender but still colorful, it's ready to serve.
It looks so good. Can I try cooking it next time?
Of course, you did a great job today.
Thanks, Dad. This is fun and easy to make.
I'm glad you like it. Healthy cooking is simple and delicious.
This place looks great. I'm excited to try some healthy food.
Yeah, me too, bro. It's good to eat healthy once in a while.
I'm thinking about getting a salad. They have a lot of different options here.
That sounds good. What kind of salad are you thinking of?
Maybe the mixed greens with grilled chicken. It's light but filling.
I'll have the quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables. Quinoa is so healthy.
That sounds delicious. Do you want to share a side dish?
Sure. How about some hummus with whole wheat pita bread?
That's perfect. Hummus is a great choice. What about drinks?
I'll go with water. Maybe add a slice of lemon for some flavor.
Good idea. I'm going to try their fresh juice. It's made with cucumber and mint.
That sounds refreshing. I like cucumber and mint together.
So, no greasy food tonight. Just healthy and fresh options.
Exactly. It feels good to make these kinds of choices.
Absolutely. I think we'll both feel better after this meal.
I agree. It's nice to eat out and still stick to our healthy goals.
For sure. We should do this more often.
Definitely. It's a great way to enjoy good food without feeling guilty.
Let's make it a regular thing. Healthy meals are always a good idea.
My boy, you're leaving for university soon, aren't you?
Yes, I'm really excited, Grandma. I leave next week.
I know you're excited, but remember to take care of yourself, especially with your meals.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
I'm just reminding you, dear, don't skip breakfast. It's very important.
I know. I usually skip breakfast when I'm in a rush.
You can't do that. Breakfast gives you the energy for the whole day. Even something small is better than nothing.
All right, Meemaw. I'll try to make time for breakfast.
What else should I remember? Eat balanced meals. Make sure your meals have fruits, vegetables, and proteins.
That sounds easy enough. What should I avoid?
Try to avoid drinking too many sugary drinks or soda. Drink water instead.
I do drink a lot of soda. I guess I should change that.
Yes, water is always the best. It keeps you healthy and hydrated.
I'll try to drink more water. What about snacks?
Choose healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead of chips or candy.
I love chips, but I'll switch to something healthier.
That's a good decision. And don't forget to eat on time. Don't skip meals just because you're busy.
I'll make sure to keep a regular eating schedule.
I'm sure you will. And if you feel too tired, take a break and have a small snack.
Thanks, Grandma. I'll follow your advice.
You're welcome, dear. I just want you to stay healthy. I'll miss you, but I know you'll do well.
I'll miss you too, Grandma. I'll remember all your advice.
Take care of yourself, and I'll be waiting for you to visit.
I will, Grandma. I promise.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. This is your homework. Please comment below and tell us, what's your favorite healthy food for a happy stomach? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.